If your succulents keep dying no matter what you do, it's probably not your fault. You have just been given bad advice. In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how to keep succulents alive and even thriving. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about succulent care basics, but not the boring stuff. These are the tips that actually make a difference. And first, we are going to talk about light. And honestly, this is where most people go wrong. Succulents need a lot of sunlight. Think at least 6 hours a day. If yours is sitting in a dim corner, it's basically starving. You will know it's not getting enough light if it starts stretching out and looking leggy. That's called etiolation. And once it happens, you cannot reverse it. So the best spot, a south-facing window. And no good light, consider a grow light. But don't go extreme either. If you suddenly move your plant into harsh, direct sun, it can burn. Ease it in slowly. Now let's talk about the succulent killer, that is overwatering. They don't like frequent watering. They like deep watering, but only when they are completely dry. You can stick your finger in the soil. If it's dry all the way down, then water. And soak it thoroughly until water drains out the bottom. Then leave it alone. No schedule like once a week. Your plant doesn't care about calendars. If the leaves look mushy or translucent, you are watering too much. And if they are wrinkled, it's thirsty. Now let's talk about soil and pots. Regular potting soil holds too much moisture. You need well-draining soil like cactus or succulent mix. Even better, add perlite or sand to improve drainage. And always use a pot with drainage hole. No drainage, water sits at the bottom, root rot, dead plant. Now let's talk about temperature. They like it between 15 to 27 degrees Celsius. Normal room temperature is perfect. Just avoid freezing temperatures, sudden cold drops, and super humid environments. They prefer dry air, so bathrooms are usually not the best spot. Now let's quickly go over some common mistakes. Watering too often, not enough sunlight, using the wrong soil, pots without drainage, spraying or misting. And also don't panic if lower leaves dry up. That's normal growth. But if everything is getting soft and falling apart, that's a warning sign. And now I have a bonus tip for you. You can actually grow new succulents from leaves. Just gently twist off a healthy leaf, let it dry for a couple days, then place it on soil. And after a few weeks, you will see tiny roots and baby plants forming. It's honestly one of the most satisfying things ever. So yeah, succulents aren't hard once you know these basics. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more plant tips. And let me know in the comments what's the hardest plant you have ever tried to keep alive. Well, I will see you in the next one. Happy growing!